circles regarding formulas for 2 marks, 4 marks and 7 marks. From the circles 22 marks weightage, and the first formula is the general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 with center c is equals to minus g minus f and radius r is equals to under root of g square plus f square minus c. And to find the center, x square coefficient, y square coefficient should be 1 and x coefficient value is 2g, y coefficient value is 2f, the constant is c. The second formula, the equation of the circle with center h comma k radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. Both the centers are same na, so h value is minus g we can write, k value is minus f also we can write. Next, the standard equation of the circle, that means auxiliary circle, that is the center at origin means h comma k value is 0 comma 0. Then this equation will become simply x square y square is equals to r square. Next, the equation of this circle whose diameter end points are a of x1 y1, b of x2 y2. End points means extremities. The formula is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So whenever it is discussing about passes, this formula, whenever it is discussing center, this one, whenever origin is 0 comma 0, center, this one, if it is diameter end points, extremities, this formula, 4 type of the formulas. Next, the second degree equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 represent a circle. Then the conditions are the x square coefficient is equals to y square coefficient. So here a is equals to b. The second condition, xy coefficient is equals to 0 means 2h is equals to 0, that means h is equals to 0. Next, third one is not mandatory for IPE. The g square plus f square minus ac value is greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because radius is should be always positive of the root value. That's why. The parametric equations are x is equals to h plus r minus r cos theta, y is equals to k plus r minus r sin theta. Of course, another formula, h in the place we can write as minus g na, k in the place we can write as minus f na. The formula is x is equals to minus g plus r minus r cos theta, y is equals to minus f plus r minus r sin theta. The diameter of a circle passes through its center. It is VSQ. Diameter of the circle passes its center. In LQ it will be used. Center lie on the a line is a diameter they will tell. So center is lie on the line. Minus g comma minus f lie on the line. X in the place minus g, y in the place minus f we have to substitute. Now in a point x comma y, the x values are called abscissas, the y values are called ordinates. It is important for 4 marks problem is there. Next, if 2 or more circles having the same center but different radius is called concentric. Like we will target a goal means it is concentrationally we have to do na. So both the circles having center same but the different radius, these circles are called concentric, like a target. Next, the equation of the concentric circle is, so same center means same g and f, only the thing radius change, so constant is change, c in the place k. So the equation of concentric circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k is equals to 0. Next, a circle intersect the x-axis, then x-intercept value is 2 under root of g square minus c. If it is intersect the y-axis, the y-intercept value is 2 under root of f square minus c. Next, of course, here intercept is there. One more formula also will come. Later we'll discuss. If 4 points lies on the same circle, then they are said to be concyclic. Okay. Next, Concyclic LAQ is there. 3 points we have to use. Lastly, fourth point it should be satisfies. Then it is concyclic. Next, position of the point. Otherwise, locate the point. Unexpectedly, they will ask for 2 marks. So, if P of x comma y, x1 comma y1 be a point, and S is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, represents a circle. If S11 value is less than 0, P inside the circle. If is equals to 0, lies on the circle. If it is greater than 0, lies outside the circle. Less than means negative answer. Greater than means positive. So you have to know what is S11. So notations are here. S is equals to general circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. And suppose P is a point x1, y1, Q is a point x2, y2. S1, only 1 is there. So x square we can write as x into x, y square we can write as y into y. And 2gx we can write as x plus x will give you 2x na. So 2g को add करो, आधा करो, add करो, आधा करो, add करो. So S1 is equals to x1 plus y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c. And x2 means x1 in the place x2, same thing. Next, S12 means 1 is 1, another is 2. So here it will be x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c. S11 means both are x1 only. So it will be what? x1 y1 y1 and g of x1 plus x1 f of y1 plus y1 plus c. So in simply it is what? x1 square plus y1 square 2gx1 2fy1 plus c. Power of the point. S11 is equals to cp square minus r square. Unexpected question this is also. Length of the tangent. Very important concept. The formula is root S11. What is S11? We discussed in the previous notation. Equation of the tangent. Don't be confused. Condition for tangent, length of the tangent, equation of the tangent. So here equation of the tangent also, so many types are there. Here what? At point. The formula is S1. What is S1? We already discussed notation. S1 formula. Next, F point is given. The formula is S1 is equal to 0. The equation of the tangent with angle theta is x plus g cos theta plus y plus f sin theta is equals to r. Next, equation of the tangent having the slope m is y plus f is equals to m of x plus g plus r minus r under root 1 plus m square. Like a slope intercept formula first year. Y is equal to mx plus c y is r. Next, in this also two types of questions they will ask. One is parallel condition, another is perpendicular condition. In the parallel you will know slopes are equal. And perpendicular you know m1 m2 is equals to minus 1. And one more also, if it is given angle we can find slope m, then we can use this formula instead of this one. Next, obviously after the tangent normal will come. Equation of the normal. At point the formula is x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equals to 0. Normal means some perpendicular na, some different na. So x along with y, y along with x. If a line is a tangent, then find normal. So equation of the normal means perpendicular to the tangent only na. So in the last year we learned perpendicular equation formula b of x minus x1 minus a of y minus y1 is equals to 0. Of course you can use the slope point formula also. That is what? Y is equals to y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. You can use any one formula. Next, equation of the chord. S1 is equals to 0. At a point that one. If at angle they asked means x plus g cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 y plus f sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 is equals to r cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. Unexpected question formula. This point only important. Next, length of the chord. The formula 2 under root r square minus d square. Important for 4 marks. Of course, next chapter also. Where r is the radius, r is equals to under root of g square plus f square minus c. And d is perpendicular distance from center to the line. D is not the diameter. Perpendicular distance from center to the line. Formula d is equal mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. So a, b, c are coefficients of the line. x1, y1 is from the center, not point. Center minus g minus f value is x1, y1. Substitute, you will get d value, then substitute everything in the formula. Next, if a line touches the circle, means this is a intersecting, that's why it is chord. If this line comes here like touches, what is the condition? R is equals to d, because there is no length of the chord here 0. So what is the formula? R is equals to d. What is the condition for touches the circle? R is equals to d. Important. In LAQ also, DCT, TCT it will come. Students will be won't get easily strike. Careful. Touches the circle or condition for the tangency. Next, if a line touches the circle, its point of contact means here this line touching na? So I need to find this point of contact. So it is looking like a foot of the perpendicular theorem last year. So the P is x1 y1, Q is h comma k, and the line as it is. So foot of the perpendicular satisfy na? So to find the point of contact, if it is touches the circle, the formula is foot of the perpendicular, h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square only. Important for 4 marks or 7 marks. Next, equation of the chord of contact. S1 is equals to 0. Equation of the polar is S1 is equals to 0. So for S1, how many are there here? Equation of the tangent formula is there. Equation of the chord of contact is there. Equation of the polar also there. Okay, na? Very important formulas. Already I discussed. Again, chord of contact or simply chord. Polar is there. Now pole. It is also very important. It comes either 2 marks or 4 marks. To find the pole, this is a formula. If P of x1 y1 be a pole of the polar Lx plus my plus n is equals to 0 with respect to the circle, then the formula is x1 plus g by L is equals to y1 plus f by m is equals to r square by lg plus mf minus n. Important. x1 y1 we need to find, and L, M, N are from the line, G and F are from center, radius. Substitute everything. Then equate first to last, second to last, simplify. Next, if x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the conjugate points, 2 marks important. Points are 2 marks, lines are 4 marks. Then the condition is x12 is equals to 0. S12 means I already told x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus आधा करके ऐड करो plus आधा करके ऐड करो, means x1 x2 plus y1 y2 g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c is equals to 0. Next, if two lines are conjugate lines with respect to circle, then r square of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equals to L1G plus M1F minus N1 into L2G plus M2F minus N2. Next, important 4 marks. Angle between the pair of tangents is theta. Then tan theta by 2 is equals to r by under root of S11. After that, we have to use cos theta also formula. cos theta is equals to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Otherwise, directly we can use this formula. Cos theta is equals to S11 minus R square by S11 plus R square. If ABC are in GP, then the condition B square is equals to AC. In LAQ it will be used. Next. LAQs, very important topic, relative position of the circles. Here, suppose two circles are there, S and S dash are two circles, then the equation of the common tangent means here one circle is there, here one circle is there, one tangent is touching the both the circles, then this tangent is said to be common tangent. The formula is S minus S dash is equals to 0. In this also, two types of tangents are there. One is direct common tangent, another is transverse common tangent. So what is meant by direct common tangent DCT is if two circles are same side to the common tangent, then the tangents are said to be direct common tangent. So these two circles with respect to this line down only, with respect to this tangent up. So those are DCT, and those are intersecting at some point, that is point of intersection divides C1 C2 with the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. In these two circles outside is an, so externally. The section formula we already know in the 10th class. Section formula for externally in between minus formula mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 plus ny1 by m minus n. Next, transverse common tangent. If two circles are opposite side to the common tangent, then those are said to be transverse common tangent TCT. So this is a circle, this is a common tangent. For this common tangent, one is left side, one is right side. For this tangent, one is left side, one is right side. So those are said to be TCT, and those point of intersection is internally divides. So internally formula is what? In between plus symbol will come. LAQ is important concept ma. If two circles are exterior to each other, means it should be दूर exterior alag different దూరంగా ఉండడం. If two circles are exterior to each other, you just observe from here to here radius R1, from here to here radius R2. If you join these C1 C2, this C1 C2 is bigger than these two addition, this part extra part is coming na, C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2, then the two circles are touches to the two circles are exterior to each other. So here how many DCTs? Here one DCT, one DCT 2, here TCT, here TCT 2. Overall common tangents are 4, and DCT point of intersection is externally, TCT point of intersection is internally, in between, not exactly middle, in between. Next, if two circles are comes together like this position, so two tangents, one more tangent, so these are DCT, this is TCT, one is left side, one is right side, that's why. So these two circles are what position here? Touching to each other. Here outside, bahar, so touching to externally, but those are contacting na, here contacting na, that is what? In between. So point of contact is internally, touches externally, point of contact divides internally. So plus formula. So DCT2, TCT1 total common tangents is 3. If these two circles comes our closeness, still closeness, so it will becomes like this. So here one tangent, both are DCT, here no TCT. So two circles what position? Intersect to each other. So DCT2, TCT 0, common tangents is 2. Now two circles are still comes close together from here to like this position. So these two positions, circles what? Touching to each other. Where? Internally, inside. But point of contact is what? Externally. C1 C2 in between, not there, outside the C1 C2. So then the point of contact divides C1 C2 with the ratio R1 is to externally. So minus formula. So here this is what tangent? Direct common tangent, because those circles are left only, one side, no TCT here, only common tangents one. Next, still two circles are very close to each other, means this outside circle, so small circle will go still close, so it will be what? Two circles are interior to each other. C1 के अंदर C2 आ रहे, otherwise C2 अंदर C1 आता. So here DCT is 0, TCT is 0. Total common tangents also 0. It is important concept for 2 marks or 4 marks, but definitely for 7 marks. Next, last but not least, equation of a pair of tangents. S into S11 is equals to S1 square. Important LAQ or SAQ. And also he asked angle between the pair of tangents. The formula cos theta is equals to mod of a plus b by under root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. If it is comes only angle between the tangents, means we have to use SAQ formula. Cos theta is equal to S11 minus r square by S11 plus r square. But it is comes LAQ and asking pair of tangents along with angle, means this formula we have to use. And what is AB here? We will get quadratic equation, we will get a second degree equation na. So in the second degree equation, the x square coefficient is A, the y square coefficient is B, and xy coefficient value is 2h. Then we have to find h, then we have to substitute in this, we will get answer. No use of G, F, C. If you know these all 30 formulas, definitely you will get 22 marks from the circles chapter. Done.